everybody, it's Robin. I'm gonna do a beautiful design, black. Okay, wait, I'm thinking about a dark brown floral, beautiful eye catcher for Guru over here. So I've started this design with that one by Dazzle Dry that's just a clear pink, and then I put on a little bit of this color. It's OPI. Let's do anything we want. Oh, all right. Oh, I am in there. So we're gonna want to do that.
Today's the day.
When I dump it out on the tile, I'm going around the little white pieces inside of it, and I'm just using the glitter. And if your glitter isn't thick enough, I added a little tiny bit of pink glitter, but just the regular in the bottle would work fine too. This just makes it faster because it'll dry faster. I'm gonna coat that with top coat and meet you back. Okay, so now we're going into part 2. Then give me that. Oh God, it's big. Okay, let's zoom out a little. There we go. Okay, so now I have dark brown, and I'm gonna go up, push, pull up, and turn like that. Then I'm gonna take, and here we go. Push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up, push, pull up. Then I'm gonna go back in on it like this. Push, pull up to the center, push, pull up to the center. And when you're done, you will get like this look of those really beautiful line drawings. Are you so relaxed, Guru, after this day?
That was Carl.
Carl said it. Carl was like, oh my gosh, I am so relaxed. His cold is gone. He's all stellar.
Poor baby.
He was out, but
He was sick.
he did. He had a dog cold. There was nothing I could do.
Snored in your sleep, didn't you,
Yep,
Carl?
he did. He left like a nasty snot bowl right by his nose one day.
Poor baby.
Yeah. Okay, there's that. And I'm just gonna go like this when it's done. Here, let me just zoom out, give you an idea. And then that is with one coat of top coat over. Now I'm going in, and then I am going to get some off-white, blue, and green together. Meet you back. Girl. Okay, so we are gonna go in, and I've already done the other ones, but I'm just gonna do the this one real quick so you can see. Here's what it looks like. What? No top coat. Zoom in.
Beautiful,
Get
beautiful.
that. And we were talking a lot, sorry. And we get, you know how we are. So I'm pushing in the green, and I have just a shimmery green color that's by Folk Art, and you get them at Walmart. Then I'm going in with a light blue, and I mix it with white. Here's my color palette: white, blue, purple. And so with the blue, I'm going to go with the light blue first. Push, push, and do into 3-pronged flowers. I try to keep like about 1 or 2 flowers per nail, and then one I'll do up, one I'll do a little different, you know. I kind of follow a rhythm, if that makes sense to you guys, where it's like big floral on the ring fingers, and then I work my way out. And the reason is because because then I can get like a right amount of there, that was too thick. I can get the right amount on the whole thing instead of it be clustered on one side and then have none on the other. Then it's hard, and then you have to spend a lot more time going back and forth trying to make it even. So you try and keep an even amount on each nail, and then you don't have to keep going back and forth. Now I'm putting a water in this so that I can get a better run on this, because see how this one didn't come out as good? It's because I didn't have enough water in my paint. So there, see how that just covered all my problems? There, 2 problems solved while I was on film. Middle blue, 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 blue.
Magnifico.
In the center. Oh, that's gonna be a fun one because it's still wet from the light blue.
I have the vision.
What? What's the vision?
I want a bodysuit.
Saved by the bell. I'm keeping that on film. Hello?
Hello, babe.
Yes.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
Hey, Joel's here. Where's your little book of passwords?
Uh-oh.
Oh, crap.
Oh my gosh. Carl, don't you tag me. That is beautiful. Can you guys see inside there? Mammy, can you see? Mammy's here now. Everyone say hi.
Hello.
So anyways, you guys, I hope you guys try this. If you do, please hashtag me, Inspired by Robin Moses. Get brushes and support my channel. That's how I make my money. And thank you for watching. Please share this with a new artist or someone who wants to learn. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.